Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to make nut in the SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. First of all, we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram second. Now select front plane, select sketch. Now we have to draw one polygon. So select polygon and draw one polygon here. Select smart dimension. Select this inner circle and we'll give dimension 50 mm. Again select. Now select this point, hold the control key, select origin point, give relation vertical and click OK. Now select circle and draw one circle here. Again select smart dimension, select this circle, we'll give diameter 25 mm. Now go to the features, select extrude boss base, select here mid plane and change this thickness to 25 mm. Now click OK. Now we'll see how to make threads. Drop down this whole wizard, select thread. Now we'll select this edge as starting point of thread. Here we'll keep it metric tab and the size we can change the size. You can increase or decrease the diameter of thread from here. We'll make it 30 mm. So you can see that the diameter of thread is now 30 mm. Again we'll change it to 25. If you want to change the pitch, select here and you can change the pitch. Now it is 3 mm. Now we'll increase the depth of the thread. You can see the thread starts somewhere here. So we can't move the nut because of that. So we have to move the threads bit of this side. For that, select offset. Now increase this value. We want thread this side, so click on this box of reverse direction. Now it will make threads properly. Click OK. Now right click on this face, select sketch, select normal to, select circle and draw one circle here. Select smart dimension, select this circle and we'll make it 50 mm. Now go to the features, select extrude cut, select flip side to cut, select this box and we'll make it 45 degrees. Now click OK. Now select mirror command. Select the small arrow and select front plane. Features to mirror, we'll select this cut extrude and click OK. Now we'll apply material to the nut. Go to the appearance. Select metal, select any metal you want. For now we'll select steel. Drag this poly steel, drop on the nut and select body. So today we have learned how to make nut in SOLIDWORKS. Try to make it. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.